Olá pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Espero que sim. Iniciando mais um vídeo aqui no canal da família. Gente, hoje vamos sair pra fazer umas comprinhas que tá precisando aqui pra casa. E antes eu vou dar uma geral aqui na geladeira de casa porque tá uma sujeira. Tem muita coisinha lá dentro. Aí eu vou mostrar pra vocês direitinho como que eu faço a faxina na geladeira. E espero que vocês gostem do vídeo. Então, gente, a geladeira tá assim. Olha, já tá praticamente vazia. Só tem algumas verdurinhas. A gente não repara meu nariz, é porque eu tô com alergia. Aí eu fico assim. Aqui dentro tem muitas sacolinhas, ó. Tem que tirar, jogar fora. Ainda tem algumas verduras. Ali tem um coco. Eu vou tirar essas coisas tudo pra fora e vou começar a limpar.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Falando com você, olha só o que aconteceu dentro da geladeira.
Olha, meu derrama, gracinha.
Olha aqui.
Muito bonitinho.
Até a cenoura dando broto. Você fica rindo, né?
Eu acho bonitinho.
Olha isso aqui.
Velho, tá
Olha.
perdendo?
Olha isso aqui. Já fez uma horta dentro da geladeira. Ô, gente, mulher é difícil. Na casa do vocês é assim também? Meu Deus. Deixa eu ajudar ela a terminar de limpar isso aqui.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5, 10-year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna...
Gente, a geladeira ficou assim, bem limpinha. Já colocamos as coisas no lugar. Ai, que gracinha. A cozinha também, olha, tá limpinha já. A gente empolgou aqui na limpeza. Estamos cansados. Agora eu vou dar um banhozinho no Benício.
Ainda tem que fazer compra.
Ainda tem que fazer compra. E é isso.
Quem puder compartilhar, curtir, vai ajudar muito a gente, né, amor? Crescimento no canal. Espero que vocês tenham gostado do conteúdo.
E até o próximo vídeo.
Tchau.